So over here you can see that I have a picture, and let's say what I want to do is apply out the vortex effect to it. So to do that, first of all, I need to select out the picture that I want to apply the effect to, then go around onto the effects menu right here, and then go around onto creative. And over here you can see that vortex is an option. So once you go around onto Vortex, you can see that you can go ahead and change around the size right here as well. So if I were to go ahead and increase and decrease this, you can see that I can go ahead and get that particular effect. I can go ahead and change around the inner direction as well. And as I change it, you can see the effect actually changes out. Then you can change the outer direction as well, and it changes around the direction outside. So you can go around, make subtle changes as well, or even go ahead and type in a value as well. So now if I were to go ahead and type in 60 right here, then the inner direction is 60 degrees, and I can go ahead and type in, let's say, 180, and the outer direction right here is 180 degrees. So that is how you can work around with vortex effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.